Hello, and welcome to the Community Health Assignment presentation. Overview of programs. The Tobacco Free Jacksonville Coalition, known as TFJC, is a community partnership program that assists minor and adult smokers to stop direct use and secondhand smoke of tobacco. The purpose of the TFJC Incorporated is to promote a smoke-free environment for all Duval County residents. Tobacco-Free Florida partners with TFJC. Tobacco-Free Florida is another program that has anti-smoking campaigns to decrease the use of cigarettes. Assessment of the extent and severity of problem addressed by program. Children who use tobacco are 7 more times likely to become addicted as a result of a continued developing brain, and will become addicted to tobacco within 1 year. Children commonly obtain tobacco from adults between 18 and 20. Smokers usually have longer hospital stays with higher medical bills than non-smokers, and usually incur chronic diseases like cardiovascular diseases, cancers, and chronic lung diseases. Monitoring program operations. Tobacco Free Jacksonville works with Tobacco Free Florida as a research partner for tobacco use in Florida. Tobacco Free Jacksonville also has set up an online petition called Raise the Age Florida to legalize the age limit to 21. The major function of this program is working through secondary outreach programs that assist in smoking cessation. Finally, Tobacco Free Jacksonville educates and promotes policy to decrease tobacco use. Raising the age limit to 21 will decrease individuals' interest in smoking. Parents should ask their child why he or she wants to start smoking, and provide real-life examples of the negative consequences of smoking. Determine if program resulted in desired change. Florida Department of Health's Tobacco-Free Florida campaign had used aggressive ads to show the negative impact of smoking. As a result, smoking had decreased from 19.3% in 2011 to 16.8% in 2013. Youth smoking had decreased from 8.3% in 2010 to 4.3% in 2014. Outcome of Florida program sustainability. Since its establishment in 2007, Tobacco Free Florida had continued to improve on decreasing smoking that resulted in 212,000 former smokers. In 2006, adult smoking was 21%. In 2015, it had sustained at 15.8%. Accountability of programs, resource of funds. The Tobacco Free Jacksonville Coalition, Incorporated, is a non-for-profit organization that depends on communities donations through the state of Florida. The Tobacco-Free Florida program, however, receives its funds through the state's Tobacco Settlement Agreement in 1997. Revising of program interventions. Both programs had referred to a third-party organization as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which had issued information on vaping. Tobacco-Free Florida continues to use ad campaigns and other methods that are monitored for effectiveness for smoking cessation. Unintended effects of program. Tobacco use among teens continues to be an issue in Duval County, Florida. In 2018, the Florida Youth Tobacco Survey suggested that 33% of youth from 11 to 17 years had used a tobacco product. The use of e-cigarettes, which is vaping, had increased from 4% in 2012 to 25% in 2018. Accreditation requirements of program. The Florida Department of Health is accredited through the Public Health Accreditation Board. The Florida Department of Health, as an umbrella organization, has its affiliated programs such as Tobacco-Free Jacksonville or Tobacco-Free Florida that shares the same accreditation. Accreditation is a voluntary, rigorous process that a health department must go through. The Florida Department of Health is the only health department in the United States that is accredited. This is the information about the program of how smoking cessation can be done in 3 ways. Conclusion. The Florida Department of Health is a state-run agency affiliated and collaborates with the Duval County Health Department, which implemented anti-smoking campaigns that continue to promote, educate, and provide resources to quit smoking. The Tobacco-Free Jacksonville Coalition is a partner of Tobacco-Free Florida that also has its anti-smoking campaign called Quit Your Way that was launched in 2007. Smoking cessation had increased as a result of these health promotion campaigns. Finally, these are the referenced resources of anyone who is interested in smoking cessation. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening.